Hey, it's Steve with America Outdoors, where it's all about getting outside and having fun. Today, the family and I loaded up and heading down to Mexico Beach, small community, about 30 minutes east of Panama City, Florida. Mexico Beach started gaining popularity back in 1941 when the military members building Tyndall Airfield would take a break and go enjoy the white sandy beach. During World War II, the German U-boats sank 56 vessels off this coast. Today, the Florida Wildlife Commission and the Army Corps of Engineers have built over 1,000 artificial patch reefs, creating an excellent environment for a wide variety of fish, making Mexico Beach a fishing destination. Sit back and enjoy an aerial view of the sandbar off the beach. You'll see some schools of fish, stingrays and dolphin, and on the beach we even caught a ghost crab digging its home. If you like this video, help me out by subscribing and mashing that like button.